Stop wasting your hard-earned money. Most people don't even realize how much cash they're throwing away every single day. But don't worry. Today I'll share simple yet powerful tips that'll help you manage your money smarter and save more without sacrificing fun. Tip 1. Track every rupee. You can't manage what you don't measure. Start writing down every expense. Yes, even that, just one coffee and/or late-night snack. Use free apps like Money Manager or Wallet. Once you see where your money goes, you'll naturally start cutting the waste. Tip 2. The 50-30-20 rule. This rule is a game changer. Percent needs, rent bills. 30% wants, movies, outings. 20% savings plus investments. Stick to this for even 30 days and you'll see your balance finally growing. Tip 3. Automate savings. Make saving effortless. Set up an auto transfer from your main account to a savings account right after payday. If you don't see that money, you won't spend it. Say no to impulse buys. Next time you're about to buy something online, wait 24 hours. If you still want it after that, go ahead. Most of the time, you'll forget about it and save that cash instead. Managing money isn't about being stingy. It's about being smart. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Follow for more real-life money hacks that actually work.